Welcome back to Teshkid FX for another Hbar price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Hbar chart, which at the time of this recording is holding above a key area of support at around the $0.0639 mark. We are also trying to battle out with the 20-day MA here on the 1 hour chart, which is now acting as resistance. And the moment we manage to break above that and it gives us the support that we need for us to continue gearing up, there are high chances that we are going to get to our next key resistance area at around the $0.0689 mark, and a break above that, then we can watch out for a successful retest before we continue gearing up. We have also continued to obey the Elliot structures, where you can see that we had been seeing this breakdown to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that has now managed to get into the minimum retracement area in the formation of this wave 2, which I have highlighted here on the charts using this red target area, and I was able to come up with the target area by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, and that gave me a minimum retracement area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, which is a target area that lies between the $0.0675 mark and the $0.0614 mark, and there are high chances that we might have now seen the low for this second wave in this breakdown that has now given us a low at around the $0.0648 mark within the red target area, and there are high chances that we are now ready for that massive run up to the upside in the formation of this wave 3, and all this is playing out after we fully peaked in that first wave to the upper side. And before I get further into the technical analysis to give you the short-term scenarios and also sketch my target areas to the upside in the formation of this wave 3, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to first give you a recap of what has been happening, where you can see that after seeing our bear market low at around the $0.0356 mark, we saw that 5-wave structure to the upside in a 5-wave structure, having the wave 5 giving us a high at around the $0.0988 mark, and also completing the formation of that first wave to the upper side. Then we started a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that managed to get into the minimum retracement area within this yellow target area, and having seen the low for that second wave, whatever we expected next was the start of an impulsive wave in the formation of the wave 3, where I'm also expecting to see another 5-wave structure in formation, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our minimum target areas and also giving us the high for this larger Elliot wave count 3 to the upper side. And it is this micro Elliot wave count right here in blue that is going to give me the short-term scenarios, where you can now see that we have peaked in that first wave, seen a corrective structure in the wave 2, and now my primary scenario is that whatever we are seeing is the formation of this wave 3, which is also impulsive, and because of that I'm expecting to see another micro Elliot wave count to have the wave 5 fully maximizing our target area in the formation of this wave 3, where you can see I have now this Elliot wave structure in red, which is now going to give me the short-term scenarios, where I have said to you that we have peaked in the wave 1, seen a corrective structure in the wave 2, and now the primary scenario is that we are in the formation of the wave 3, and sketching out the target area in the formation of the wave 3 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. That now gives me a target area in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.0988 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting Hbar to do here on the short-term scenarios, assuming that we are not going to see one more leg down within this red target area in the formation of this wave 2. And for that move to also play out, there are key moves that we need to keep an eye on. And the first one is a break above the 20-day MA so that they can offer us support for us to continue gearing up. See a break above our key area of resistance at around the $0.0689 mark, get a successful retest, and once the retest is in and a success, then we can continue gearing up, and also watch out for a break above the wave 1 high of this Elliot wave structure in red at around the $0.0779 mark, because a break above that will be total confirmation that whatever we are seeing is the formation of this wave 3, and that movement is totally impulsive, and there are high chances of fully maximizing our target areas. But in case the breakdown continues, I'm expecting this red target area to continue holding between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, and as long as we hold within it, then there are high chances of seeing a reversal within it and start gearing up in the formation of that wave 3. And also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 43 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.